Artificial intelligence is changing the game, especially when it comes to career development. But to really make the most of it, you need to understand one key concept: prompt generation.
So, what is a prompt? It's just a question or instruction you give to an AI tool. Basically, how you tell it what you want. And here's the secret: the better your prompts, the better your results.
If you say, write me a resume, you'll probably get something pretty generic. But if you say, rewrite my resume for an entry-level data analyst job emphasizing teamwork, Excel, and project experience, now you're getting something specific and actually useful.
Here are a few quick tips for great writing prompts. Be specific by including your role or industry. Add some context, like mentioning your skills or goals. As for structure, like give me 3 bullet points. And don't be afraid to tweak and try again.
You can use AI for just about anything. For exploring careers, try suggest 5 career paths for someone with a psychology degree interested in tech. When preparing for interviews, try generate 3 common questions for a marketing internship and use strong sample answers. For networking, try draft a LinkedIn message to connect with an alum in cybersecurity.
AI won't replace your thinking or creativity, but it can help you brainstorm, polish, and explore faster. So start experimenting, keep refining, and find the prompt style that works best for you.